This is one of New Holland's newest model machines. It's a model L234. It's equipped with an emissionized engine. It is a Tier 4 final engine. It runs on standard diesel fuel, and it also uses a diesel exhaust fluid on this one, similar to L230. The engine is similar to its predecessor, the 230. It has a 90 horsepower engine. It's increased in weight by approximately 400 pounds. It weighs in at about 8,900 pounds. Stronger loader lift capacity. It is rated at 3,400 pounds. It raises to 10.9 feet tall, or 131 inches to the hinge point. The lift capacity has been increased, and it has larger lift cylinders to accomplish that. The pressure is running a little bit higher than the previous model to give it more strength. This has all the similar features that New Holland has always had. Super boom design, cab, heat, air conditioning, radio, hydraulic quick coupler. It's also equipped with the 1400 17.5 tires, which is pretty common. The loader bucket is a 78-inch low-profile extended lip with a bolt-on cutting edge. It also is available with the enhanced high flow if you so desire. It's available with additional counterweights. It has all the same types of options available on this one as all the predecessors used to have.